Hello everyone, my name is Giancarlo Ríos Pacheco. This is my opinion about to Baker's story. Um, does the story have a theme? What is the story about? What is the central idea? It is implicit or explicit. The story is about a family of bakers where the father is the one who teaches his children the professions. The central idea of the story is the love and support of the family. It is also explicit because it clearly shows us the help of the brothers and the mother to help the father. Who is the protagonist of this story? Try to establish her age, family, background, social class, and status and occupation. For me, the protagonist of the story was the family. They were low-class bakers, and the parents were between the age of story to 45 and their four children between the age of 10 and 20. What is the problem presented in the story? How was the problem solved at the end? The real problem in the story is the father's accident and the money for the hospital, and the problem was solved with the help of the whole family and the help of the customer who left coins. At what point in this story in the tension highest? It is that the dramatic climax. The drama in the story is the accident of the father and his broken ankle that will not let him work. Does the story involve an epiphany or moment of inside relation or self-realization for the protagonist or for the reader? How is this moment presented? It is an epiphany for the reader because it teaches us support for the family, also for the people who need it, and the story show the help of the children, the wife, and also the customer of the baker. Uh, Thank you very much.